Hello guys, thanks for joining. Hello guys and welcome to today's session. So in the meantime, we'll wait for others to join so that we continue. Okay, so we'll start exactly 8:32. Let's give 2 minutes for others to join us. Let's see. Okay, Sadia too, welcome. Thanks for joining. So we are waiting. Okay, let's wait for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes so that others will join and then we can proceed. Today we are dealing with biology and we are looking at the topic, the diversity of living things, right? So we'll be delving into classification or taxonomy, kingdom, phylum, order, family, genus, species, all those things, and the characteristics of some organisms. We'll be looking at all those things. They are past objective questions and answers. So Sadiatu, thanks for joining. I hope you had a wonderful day. Anyone else in? Guys, please, if you're around, just send hi. Okay, because in 3 minutes we'll be starting. Okay, so we have quite a few number of people who are already in. So, okay, Pravin, hi, Pravin. Okay, SK, okay, right. A couple of people are also joining us. Right, so vertical is the best. Okay. Hi, Meza, I'm fine. So, I'm live streaming from Ghana, so thank you so much for joining. I believe you will learn a lot in today's session. So, like I said, we are looking at biology questions, which will be based on. All right. So once again, guys, welcome to today's live session. And then you guys will give me the feedback in the comment section. Okay. So let's quickly dive in. We are already far behind time. So let's dive in. So the first question, okay, it's a little bit complicated. But here I go. Okay. So it says, which of the following pair of organisms phylum, right? Two pair of organisms for each. Okay, so out you compare them and see if they belong to the same phylum. Okay, the same phylum, Phylum, phylum. So which of the following pairs of organisms belong? A. Hydra species and Paramecium species. B. Crayfish and jellyfish. Crayfish and jellyfish. C. Earthworm. Tapeworm and earthworm. And then D. Ascaris and Ophiucha species. Okay. D. Ascaris. Okay, so anyone to guess the answer in the comment? There are two, Pravan, Donfa, Meza, MC. Anyone answer? Okay, so the correct D, option D. Okay, so they belong to the same phylum. Okay, they belong to a challenge. So if you can hear me, hi. Yes, a hi from someone. Anyone? Okay, so I'll proceed with the second. I'll proceed with the second question. So question number two. Question number two. Which of the following characteristics is not true for all insects? Which of the following characteristics is not true for all insects? They have A. Jointed appendages. B. And D. 3 pairs of walking legs. This is the 1993. So I'll take the options again. The following characteristics is they have A. Jointed appendages. B. A pair of antennae. C. A pair of wings. And then D. Pairs of walking legs. So Sadia too, I believe you are answering question number one. If that is the case, like I said, answer is D. Okay, so now we are on question. For all, they have A. Jointed appendages. B. A pair of antennae. C. Wings. And D. 3 pairs of walking legs. Okay, so all right, so the correct answer for question number two is C, a pair of wings. So insects have, okay, so insects have 2 pair of wings, like I was saying, they have 2 pair of wings. So saying that they have just a pair of wings is wrong. 3. Club mosses, M-O-S-S-E-S. Club mosses belong to division. Mosses belongs to the division A. C. So question number 3. Club mosses belongs to the division A, Bryophyta, B, Lycopodiophyta, C, Spermatophyta, and then D, Pteridophyta. Okay, this is the SSC 1993 question number 58. So club mosses, which division do they belong to? All right, so the correct answer is option B, Lycopodiophyta. Okay, this has a lot to do with classification. So if you don't know, or you can just guess, but this is the correct answer for this particular question. So question number 4. Question number 4. Snails, crabs, fish, and man are all placed in the kingdom Animalia because they, I'll take it again. Snails, crabs, fish, and man are all placed in the same kingdom Animalia because they A, can move, B, have different habitats, C, are heterotrophic, D, are invertebrates. This is the SSC 1994 question number 15. So I'll take that again. Snails, crabs, fish, and man are all placed in the same kingdom Animalia because they A, can move, B, have different habitats, C, are heterotrophic, and then D, are invertebrates. So anyone to give us the correct answer? So why are snails, birds, animals like human beings, and fishes all classified under the same kingdom, which is Animalia? Is it because they can move, which is A, or option B, because they have different habitats, or C, they are heterotrophic, or option D, they are invertebrates? Okay, so the correct answer here is option C, they are invertebrates. They are invertebrates. All right, so let's proceed. Let's proceed. Question number 5. Question number 5. Which of the following fungi does not normally form hyphae? Which of the following fungi does not normally form hyphae? Okay, hyphae as in HYPHAE. Okay, so A, yeast, B, rhizopus, C, mucor, and then D, toadstool. Toadstool. This is the SSC 1994 question number 29. Okay, so which of the following fungi does not normally form hyphae? A is yeast, B is rhizopus, C is mucor, and then D is toadstool. Okay, so what is the correct answer over here? Anyone to give us the correct answer? Question number 5. Okay, so we have someone saying question number 5, option A. Please, that is correct. So question number 5, yeast. Okay, yeast do not form, or they don't form hyphae. So that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Very good. Now let's continue. Question number 6. Question number 6. Now I understand that this biology classification is a little bit difficult, but guys, please just, you can guess. Okay, you can guess your answer, right? If it's correct, if it's correct. If it's not, we proceed. Are you okay? Okay. Organisms with their nuclear material covered in the cytoplasm belongs to the group known as organisms with their nuclear material covered in the cytoplasm belongs to the group known as A. Prokaryote, B. Protista, C. Fungi, and then D. Animalia. This is the SSC 1994 question number 33. So I'll take the question again. Organisms with their nuclear material covered in the cytoplasm belongs to the group known as A. Prokaryote, B. Protista, C. Fungi, D. Animalia. So please, anyone to give a shot to this question? Okay, someone is saying option A, Prokaryote. Anyone? So Young Kings Hub is saying Prokaryote. Anyone else? Okay, Sadia 2, yes. Question number 5, the correct answer is A. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, so question number 6. Yeah, so for question number 6, the correct answer is prokaryote. So organisms that belong to our organisms that are classified as prokaryote, okay, have their nuclear material covered in the cytoplasm. Okay, they are not just scattered all around in the cytoplasm, they are all covered, right? All right. So question number 7. Question number 7. The class Hepatica. The class Hepatica, Hepatica. I hope you all got that. Hepatica. The class Hepatica and the class Musci. Musci, Muscy. The class Hepatica and the class Musci belongs to the major division. The class Hepatica and the class Musci belong to the major division A. Felicinophyta, B. Lycopodiophyta, C. Bryophyta, D. Chlorophyta. This is the SSE 1994 question number 37. So I'll take it again. The class Hepatica and the class Musci belong to the major division. The class Hepatica and the class Musci belong to the major division A. Felicinophyta, B. Lycopodiophyta, C. Bryophyta, and then D. Chlorophyta. So anyone to guess the answer for us? Question number 7. All right, so for question number 7, the correct answer, anyone? Okay, so someone is saying option C, Bryophyta. Anyone else? All right, so the correct answer is option C. Indeed, it is Bryophyta. Bryophyta. Very good. Very good. Question number 8. Question number 8. A large number of organisms with broad general features in common belong to the group known as, I'll take that again. A large number of organisms with broad general features in common belong to the group known as. Okay, so we are talking about large organisms that have common features. Which group do they belong to? A. Class, B. Species, C. Kingdom, and then D, genus. Okay, this is the SSE 1994, question number 47. A large number of organisms with broad general features in common belong to the group known as A, class, B, species, C, kingdom, and then D, genus. So anyone to guess the correct answer? Okay, so the correct answer is kingdom. Kingdom, option C, kingdom. Okay, all right, so let's proceed. A fungal cell cannot manufacture its own carbohydrate because a fungal cell, which is a fungus, right? But just a cell, right? A fungal cell cannot manufacture its own carbohydrate because it A, has abundant vacuoles, B, grows in dark place, C, does not possess true root, and then D, does not possess chloroplast. Okay, so a fungal cell cannot manufacture its own carbohydrate because it A, has abundant vacuoles, B, has grow in a dark place, C, does not possess true root, and then D, does not possess chloroplast. So anyone to give us the answer? This is the SSE 1994, question number 49. Okay, so the correct answer is option D. Option D, does not possess chloroplast. Okay, so because they lack chloroplast, they cannot produce their own carbohydrates. Very good. Number 6D, Sadiatu is saying question number 6. D, animalia. Sorry, it's not animalia, it's prokaryote. Are you okay? Prokaryote. Okay, 7D is bryophyta. C, not D. Are you okay? Tomorrow we'll be doing physics, right? We'll be doing physics, so we'll be writing, right? You'll see the screen. It will not be vertical live stream like this, it will be horizontal. You'll be seeing writings, okay? So tomorrow we'll be writing, we'll be doing physics live stream. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be looking at physics, scientific units and measurements. That is what we'll be looking at. So please, let's look forward to it. Okay. So yes, we said question number 9. Because they don't possess chloroplast, they are unable to manufacture their own carbohydrate. That is for a fungal cell. Okay, question number 10. Which of the following characteristics is observed in arachnids only? Okay, arachnids only, right? So the group or the class to which spider belongs to, that's the arachnid, right? That group. So which of the following characteristics is observed in arachnids only? In arachnids only. A, jointed appendages. Jointed appendages. B, segmented body. Segmented body. C, chitinous exoskeleton or chitinous exoskeleton. Depends on how you want to pronounce it. And then option D, 4 pair of walking legs. 4 pair of walking legs. So which of the following characteristics is observed in arachnids only? A, jointed appendages. B, segmented body. C, chitinous exoskeleton, and then D, 4 pair of walking legs. 4 pairs of walking legs. Okay, so this is the SSC 1994 question number 59. Okay, so the correct answer is 4 pairs of walking legs. Okay, so that is the only option that is unique to arachnids. Okay, like spider, they have 8 legs in total, which is 4 pair. Are you okay? So yes. All right, so let's continue. Question number 11. Algae possesses A, gamma caps, B, vascular tissues, C, rhizoids, and then D, chromatin materials. This is the SSC 1995 question number 3. Like I said, biology, especially this topic, if you don't know your taxonomy, you have a problem, okay? If you're not good with your classification, you have a problem. But then again, these are past questions, okay? These are past questions. So if you know them, it will help you during your WASE exam, okay? Or during on your exams, right? So algae possesses A, gamma caps, B, vascular tissues, C, rhizoids, and then D, chromatin materials. So which of the following do algae possesses? Anyone to give us the answer? All right, so the correct answer is chromatin materials. Chromatin materials, that is what they possess. Okay. So today, let's just do 25 questions and then we end the live stream. So we prepare for tomorrow, okay? We prepare for tomorrow, which is going to be for physics, right? A lot of calculations. So let's prepare for that. Okay. Question number 12. Question number 12. Organisms in the kingdom prokaryote lack A, cell wall, B, genetic material, C, chloroplast in their cell, and then D, nucleus bounded by a membrane. This is the SSC 1995 question number 8. So I'll take the question again. Organisms in the kingdom prokaryote lack A, cell wall, B, genetic material, C, chloroplast in their cell, and then D, nucleus bounded by a membrane. So which of the following do organisms that belong to the kingdom prokaryote lack? Question number 12. Okay, someone is saying option D. So yes, the correct answer is option D, which is nucleus bounded by a membrane. That is what they lack. Are we okay? All right. Let's continue. Question number 13. Bacterium is a cell which does not possess bacterium, okay? Plural form bacteria. Bacterium is a cell which does not possess A, cell wall, B, cell membrane, C, nuclear material, and then D, nuclear membrane. This is the SSC 1995 question number 10. So bacterium is a cell which does not possess A, cell wall, B, cell membrane, C, nuclear material, and then D, nuclear membrane. So what do bacterium, okay, or bacteria, what do they not possess? Is it a cell wall, cell membrane, nuclear material, or nuclear membrane? Okay, someone is saying option D, which is nuclear membrane. Yes, that is correct. They lack nuclear membrane. They have the nuclear material, all right, but they lack the membrane. Okay, question number 14. Question number 14. The scientific name of an organism is derived from the scientific name of an organism is derived from the A, class and species, B, family and species, C, genus and species, and then D, order and species. Are you okay? So when we want to write scientific name, okay, which of the following do we use in writing the scientific name of organisms? So is it A, the class and then the species, B, the family and species, C, the genus and species, and then D, order and species? Which of them? Okay, C. Someone is saying C, which is genus and species. Yes. Okay, so we use the genus and species to give names to the organisms, right? To give them their scientific name or their IUPAC, scientific names, right? So question number 15. Question number 15. The kingdom Protoctista include the major phyla. The kingdom Protoctista include the major phyla A, Rhizopoda and Chlorophyta. Rhizopoda and Chlorophyta, that is A. B, Iglinophyta and Ascomycophyta. Ascomycota, sorry. So it's Ascomycota. So let me take it again. The kingdom Protoctista include the major phyla A, Rhizopoda and Chlorophyta. B, Iglinophyta and Ascomycota. C, Bryophyta and Phaeophyta. And then D, Zomastigena and Lycopodophyta. Okay, you have to be careful with these names, right? This is the SSC 1995, question number 31. Right, so the correct answer here is A, Rhizopoda and Chlorophyta. That is the correct answer over here. All right, question number 16. Which of the following is not a typical shape of bacteria? Which of the following is not a typical shape in bacteria? A, rod shape. B, irregular shape. C, comma shape, comma, C-O-M-M-A, comma shape. And then D, spiral shape. Okay, so which of the following is not a typical shape of bacteria? A, rod shape. B, irregular shape. C, comma shape. And then D, spiral shape. This is the SSC 1995, question number 35. Okay, so which shape does bacteria not possess? Or which shape do they not look like? Okay. Right. So the correct answer here is B. Okay, irregular shape. So we have bacteria that look rod-like, some look comma-like, some look spiral. Okay, they have that shape, but they are not irregular. Are you okay? They are not irregular. All right. Question number 17. Question number 17. Which of the following is a unique characteristics of arachnids? Which of the following is a unique characteristics of arachnid? A. Segmented body. B. 3 pairs of walking legs. C. 4 pairs of walking legs. And then D. Compound eyes. Okay, so which of the following is a unique characteristics of arachnids? A. Segmented body. B. 3 pairs of walking legs. C. 4 pairs of walking legs. And then D. Compound eyes. This is the SSC 1995 question number 36. So what is unique about arachnids? Right, so the correct answer is option C, 4 pairs of walking legs. 4 pairs of walking legs. Very good. Question number 18. A dichotomous key is used to A. Classify organisms. B. Name organisms. C. Locate organisms. D. Identify organisms. This is the SSC 1995 question number 37. So it says a dichotomous key is used to A. Classify organisms. B. Name organisms. C. Locate organisms. And then D. Identify organisms. Are we okay? So this is the SSC 1995 question number 37. So what do we use a dichotomous key for? Okay, so the correct answer here is option D, to identify organisms. To identify organisms. Very good. So we'll answer 2 more questions and then we'll end today's live stream so that we go and prepare for physics tomorrow. Are you okay? Like I said, the physics will be streaming live on my machine, so you'll be seeing the write-up and everything. Are we okay? Very good. Now, all members of the kingdom Plantae do not possess A. Cellulose cell wall. B. Chlorophyll. C. Multicellular body. And then D. Chitinous cell wall. Okay, so all members of the kingdom Plantae do not possess. So what do plants not possess? A. Cellulose cell wall. B. Chlorophyll. C. Multicellular body. Or D. Chitinous cell wall. Okay, so someone is saying option D, chitinous or chitinous cell wall. Yes, it's true. It's true. That is very, very true. All right, the last question for today. The Basidiomycota lack A. A membrane-bound organelles. B. Chlorophyll. C. Rhizoids. D. Sporangiophore. Okay, so what do Basidiomycota lack? Is it a membrane-bound organelles as A, or B. Chlorophyll, or C. Rhizoids, or D. Sporangiophore? Okay, very good. So what they do lack is chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll. They don't have chlorophyll, so they lack that. That is what Basidiomycota lacks. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining. That brings us to the end of today's session. And because this one is a little bit difficult, right? We are not really able to enjoy and then answer as much as we did for the previous live streams. Okay, So let's prepare for tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow we'll be doing physics, and then we'll be looking at, per our timetable, we'll be looking at scientific units and measurements, right? Scientific unit and measurements. So we'll be looking at SI units, the dimensional analysis, dimension of force, power, work, velocity, all those things, right? How to come up with the dimensions. We'll be looking at all those things. Are you okay? Derived units and all that. We'll be looking at all that. Base unit, derived unit, we'll be looking at all that. And like I said, I was able to get the tablet, okay, this guy, okay, connected to my machine. So now if I'm writing here, you guys can see on the screen. So I'll be live streaming using my machine and you guys can see, and then we will enjoy tomorrow's sessions even better than any of the previous live stream that we've ever had over here. So guys, thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you making time to join. Today we are ending early. We are not able to live stream for the whole 1 hour as anticipated, but then that is also good. So thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow for physics, where we'll be discussing scientific unit and measurements. Now after that, after physics, the next thing we have is elective mathematics, which is on sets. Okay, sets, roots, basically numbers with roots, how to rationalize them, right? That is what we'll be looking at. Sets, objective past questions and answers. But physics and mathematics, their objectives involves calculation. So even though it's objective past questions and answers, we have to do calculations. Are you okay? All right. And then on Friday, we will be looking at core maths. On Friday, 6th December, we are looking at core mathematics, and we'll be looking at real number systems. Real number systems. And then on Saturday and Sunday, okay, according to popular request, on Saturday, we will be going to physics, okay, electronics or sound waves, one of them. And then on Sunday, we'll be looking at chemical equations. Chemical equations, that is on Sunday, 8th December 2024. So, guys, thank you so much. And then, bye bye.